Not all trailer jacks are created equal. The BULLDOG Velocity Series jack is loaded with exclusive features and huge performance advantages you just don't get from competitors' hydraulic jacks. The Velocity Series is designed for the OEM and aftermarket, industrial, horse and livestock, and RV applications. We are here to show you how fast and easy it is to install and operate. The Velocity Series jack is fast in several ways. It takes just 20 minutes to install compared to a 2-hour hydraulic jack installation. It has faster lifting speeds at comparable loads. It's also more convenient because it takes up less space, doesn't have hoses or a pump, and doesn't use hydraulic oil. Because it does not use hydraulic oil, the Velocity lifting speed is not affected by cold weather. The Velocity install is so fast because no welding is required. Just bolt it to the trailer with the integrated mount plate and attach cables to the battery. The Velocity can also be set up in a tandem configuration. Using the optional tandem controller that has 2 switches, you can control 2 jacks for independent leveling. Still fast and easy, but with double the lift capacity. Each Velocity high-speed jack is rated to 12,000 pounds, has 24 inches of screw travel, a premium powder-coated finish on the outer tube, and a zinc coating on the inner leg to resist corrosion and wear. The Velocity Series jack also includes an articulating foot plate, integrated mounting plate, wiring harness, and a wired remote control. An optional wireless controller is also available. In case of power loss, there's a manual override feature to raise and lower the trailer. BULLDOG tested toughness and durability make the Velocity jack perfect for all kinds of applications. That's why it's backed by a 5-year limited warranty. To find out more about the Velocity Series jack and other BULLDOG products, visit us at bulldogproducts.net.